Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Propolis Tincture with alcohol. First, you will need to gather your essential materials: raw propolis, a high-proof alcohol like grain alcohol, and a clean glass jar with a tight-fitting lid. It is crucial to select an alcohol that is at least 80 proof or 40% alcohol by volume to ensure effective extraction of the beneficial compounds from the propolis. Before mixing, freeze your propolis and then crush it into small, manageable pieces. This increases the surface area, allowing for a more efficient extraction process. Now, let's prepare your mixture. A good ratio to start with is 1 part crushed propolis to 2 parts high-proof alcohol by weight. Carefully pour the crushed propolis into your clean glass jar, then add the measured alcohol. Make sure the jar is sealed tightly to prevent any evaporation of the alcohol, which is vital for the extraction. Finally, label your jar with the current date. This will help you keep track of how long the infusion process has been underway, ensuring you achieve the desired potency. The extraction process is straightforward but requires patience. For the next 2 to 4 weeks, you will need to shake the sealed jar vigorously once or twice every day. This agitation helps to dissolve the propolis into the alcohol. During this period, store your jar in a cool, dark place away from any direct sunlight, which can degrade the propolis compounds. Continue this daily shaking until you observe that the propolis has either fully dissolved or settled at the bottom, indicating the extraction is complete. Once the extraction is complete, it's time to filter your tincture. Carefully pour the liquid through a coffee filter or several layers of fine cheesecloth into a clean container. This step removes any remaining propolis solids, leaving you with a clear, potent tincture. Then, transfer your finished propolis tincture into dark glass dropper bottles for long-term storage. Dark glass protects the tincture from light degradation, preserving its efficacy. Remember to check the description for a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.